YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be doing a KFC mukbang. My mom put all my food in here and then my drink is right here. My parents bought this for me, so I'm not sure if this is Coca-Cola or Pepsi, but I'm pretty sure it's Coca-Cola. And my mom put my food in here. I'm first going to show you what I got and then I'll get to eating. I'm not sure if there's, oh, there is silverware in here. Okay, let's show you. Here we have a, I think, chocolate chip cookie, mashed potatoes and gravy, a biscuit, and then we have a piece of chicken. I think it's a chicken breast and a chicken wing, but I'm not going to put that up. Oh, and then my silverware. So yeah, I'm going to start off by eating the mashed potatoes. So let's mix this. It's so hot because my parents just bought it. There's a KFC right down the road, so yeah. This is still hot, but it's not that hot. If you didn't know this about me, my favorite part of KFC is the mashed potatoes. The mashed potatoes are always so good. I love these mashed potatoes. I usually don't eat mashed potatoes except for these, so yeah. I love KFC. KFC is good. Okay, so this is going to be like the start of when I try new videos for my channel, because I usually post slime videos. So for now on, I'm going to be posting my videos with my face in them. But the slime ASMR videos are not going to have my face in them. I'm probably going to be posting squishy videos with my face in them and like mukbangs and stuff. But I'm probably only going to be posting mukbangs once a month, because we only eat fast food around once a month. And I'm probably going to do Vlogmas. But if I do Vlogmas, the video won't be edited that well, because I won't have enough time to edit it. It usually takes me 2 days to edit it, and I would need to edit for Vlogmas in less than a day. Also, I had another YouTube channel, but it had to get, I closed it down because there were random people watching my live stream and saying not very nice things. But I remember I made a mashed potato slime. I added, it was a white cloud cream with brown paint and stuff. I'm gonna eat this biscuit. I usually don't eat these biscuits because I don't really like them that much. I'm gonna eat it like this, and if not, I'll probably give it to my mom or something. Oh no, I just never liked these biscuits. They were never tasty to me. I mean, I'm going to see if my dad got honey, because he usually puts honey on it and he says it's good. So I'm going to go get some honey. We didn't have honey, but I'm going to try putting syrup on it, because my mom got chicken and waffles and she had extra syrup. So oh my god. No. I don't like this. No. No. I'm going to give this to someone that actually likes these biscuits, because I don't. Now for the part you have probably all been waiting for if you read the title of this video. I'm going to show you this chicken. If I can stab it. Okay, I'll just show you that. I have one big piece of chicken. Why can't I? Oh my god, the bottom of the box broke. I'm going to go get a plate, cut this chicken, and show you it. So my dad is getting me a plate. There was something on my soda. I don't really know what to do. Now I have a bowl with chicken. I'm going to eat this one first, and I usually don't eat chicken with my hands because I don't like to, because I usually have fancy nails and get my nails dirty, but my mom yelling at my cat in the background. I remember when we used to eat KFC and you never used to eat this part. I was stupid. I need a napkin. Now I have the bigger part. I don't know how I can show this to you besides, like, literally. Yeah, that's huge. I'm probably not going to eat it all. How do I even start this? What the heck? I'm going to go cut it. My mom offered to cut it for me. My mom is so nice. I love you, Mom. And you, Dad, too. I'm going to show you this cookie. I'm not sure if it's a macadamia or not. It's not. Macadamia nut's my favorite type of cookie, though. So anyone wants to buy me a macadamia nut cookie, you can, because I won't mind if you do, because if you do, that's okay, or whatever. I was only supposed to eat a super little bit of this cookie. Oops. It's all cut. It was mostly bones. I need to close the door of my room. Okay. Which do we eat? Like what part of chicken? I don't know. This part looks interesting. I'm kind of getting full. What the heck? No, I did that like 7 times in this video. What should the thumbnail be? You guys will see the thumbnail anyways. Subscribe. If you want to see more mukbangs, comment down below what I should mukbang. And I'll tell you if I can or not, because some places I cannot go because we don't know where they are. Or we don't have one where I live. Tell me what other type of videos you want me to see. What you want me to do, what type of slime I should make, what type of slime I should do ASMR with, what type of squishies I should buy. And like this video if you want more videos like this. Love you guys. I'll see you guys next time.